During the summer, malfunctioning of outdoor units often occurs due to exposure to excessive heat. To demonstrate the performance of LG DUEL COOL, LG planned an interesting project to build a tower of chocolate.
I'm Frank Hasnoot, renowned world chocolate master. LG has challenged me to master the art of chocolate simply relying on the function of the LG air conditioner. Normally we work in environments around 20 degrees Celsius. As our art evolves, heat sensitive chocolate. This challenge is more nerve-wracking than anything I've done in the past. Let's give it a shot.
Will it be possible to complete a tower of chocolate? Dual inverter compressor that works even at 65 degrees Celsius with the 10-year warranty. LG DUEL COOL. Bring the coolest breeze to the hottest plains.